What is going on, guys? Rose here, and today I got the Disgaea 7 box right here to unbox for you guys today. The Disgaea 7. I don't remember the subtitle of the game, actually, now that I think about it. We're going to get right into the box opening and see what's in it. So, without further ado, let's get right into this. And this is another Nis America collector's edition that came with plushies. The plushies again were extra, but I did buy the plushies so that I'd have the complete collector's edition. So we'll get into them as well. Again, there were 3 of them, just like last time. Oh wait, no, there's more. There's 4 of them in here. Holy cow! Okay. And there's 2 boxes in here. What the hell? Yo, that'd be something if they messed up and gave me 2 collector's editions. I think they did. No way, they screwed up and gave me 2 collector's editions. What the fuck? Well, here's one box and here's the other one. Both boxes are pretty much the same size, so let's see what's inside these boxes. If they messed up, I don't know. Let's get into this one first. So here we have. This box has the collector's edition, and this is what it looks like. Get this box out of the way. There is your collector's edition for Disgaea 7. Let's get into the second box and see what's in here. Oh, dude, they didn't. No way. They fucking didn't. They sent me 2 of them. They sent me 2 collector's editions. What the actual fuck? They sent me 2 collector's editions. What is this? They sent me, oh my god, I cannot believe they sent me fucking 2. Wow, shit, I should probably sell one of these. they're literally both the same, I would imagine. So it's for home device, they both say for home device. Wow. Yeah, they sent me 2. Anyways, this is what the top of the boxes look like, and this is the back. So I'm only going to open one of these. I am very curious as to whether or not they actually sent me a PS5 version. The PS5 version twice. I don't know why they sent me 2 of these, but I mean, so I wonder if the plushies. Let me look at these plushies now, because I could have sworn there was only supposed to be 2 plushies. So these 2 are different. So this one is Lil Purilica. And this one is Lil Fuji plush. This one is, yeah, they sent me. Yep, they did. They sent me 2 sets of the plushies too. That's why there's 4 of them. They sent me 2 collector's editions. They went and fucked up. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, shit, I'm not complaining. Alright, well, there we go. Get my key out of the shot here. I can't believe they did that. Alright, so in this box, we have... Ooh, that didn't sound good. Alright, so we have the usual items up in here. They packed this stuff pretty tight in this box this time around. What can I pull out first? Anything? Oh, goodness. Guess we'll just do it that way. Right, so we got some things out of here. I don't know what that is. Right, so we'll put that back in there. Put that off to the side. What is this? This is a... I can't even read this, to be honest with you. I don't know. I don't know what's in this box, but that's what it says. It's glass, whatever it is, or ceramic. Is it a cup? It's a cup. It's like a glass mug. Well, not exactly a mug, but it's definitely ceramic. It's a little drinking cup. That's new. Look at that. It's a little drinking cup. There's what she looks like. That's pretty cool. I've never gotten something like this. She should probably hold it this way, huh? I never got something like this in a collector's edition before. This is pretty neat. So let's get this back in here. Pretty neat, pretty neat. Gotta say, I actually really like that. This is probably the soundtrack CD. Yep. There's your Disgaea 7. Songs of Honor. The original soundtrack, Disgaea 7. There's your CD. Songs of Honor. So let's open her up. And we'll take a look at the disc. Ah, man. Plastic is a pain in the ass to get to open up on these things, you know? Oh, shit. Oh, dude, I just cracked the case. I just cracked the fucking case. Oh, that's fucked. Yep, look at that. There's a little crack on it, right? You probably can't see it, but I cracked it. That's fucked. Because of the way the fucking plastic is a pain in the ass to take off of this. It's 2 discs. Your first disc. Hey, wait, you got a pretty good value with this though. There's your second disc. Man, I can't believe I just cracked this case. That is fucked. That makes me upset. That I just cracked this. That's a damn shame. Put that there. Then we have the art book, Art of War, Disgaea 7, Art of War. So let's open her up. So you guys, you know, a few of the pages. Thumb through some of these pages, you know, just to give you guys a taste of this collector's edition. Just, like I said, just thumb through some of the pages. Alright, let's see what else is in here. We got the PS5 game, which we'll get into in a moment. We have the Steelbook case. We'll also get into that in a moment. And we have some prints, it looks like. So we'll get to this in a moment. Check this out. What my stupid dog is growling about. No idea. Alright, what is this? Is this a print nut? Oh. This isn't exactly a print. This is pretty cool. Disgaea 7 Vows of the Virtuous, that's what it's called. And it opens up, so it looks like this, first of all. And it opens up like this. So I'm not going to be able to get the whole thing in shot, unfortunately, I don't think, without moving everything out of the way. So that's, yeah, even then, I'm not going to get the whole thing in shot. But it's got pictures of the main characters and whatnot. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. So I'll just, scroll over so you guys can see them all. Yeah, this is pretty cool. And, folds up like this. And there you go, it's closed. This is really interesting. I've never gotten something like this. I don't even know what this is called, but it's pretty neat. Getting it back in this plastic now, that's going to be an entirely different story. Okay, so put that back in the box. Let's put this ceramic cup back in the box before this fucking breaks. Okay, let's take a look at the game and the Steelbook case. So here's the Steelbook case. Very, very nice. Very nice indeed, in my opinion. And there is the inside of the Steelbook case. And this is the back. Very cool. I actually really like this. I love these cases. These Steelbook cases are amazing. This is the game itself. Nothing special about that. Even this cover looks pretty cool, but these games always have reverse cover, so I'm interested to see what's on the other side, what the reverse cover is for this. On the inside we have, this is usually a mini art book of sorts. Yep, mini art book. Let's take a look at this real quick. Alright, so that's the mini art book, and then what else is in here? Then there is a Disgaea 7 digital soundtrack. Digital soundtrack with the code, and it's got all the songs on it. So again, there's that. We do indeed have a reversible case. But there's your disc, by the way, for the game. And let's reverse this cover, shall we? And the reversible cover, of course, has more of the game's cast of characters. There you have it. And there's your reverse cover, which I actually have to fix it because it's hanging down slightly. Yeah, I have to fix it. It's hanging down slightly. That should do it. Alright, and there's your reverse cover. There you go. So guys, that's your Disgaea 5 Collector's Edition. In a nutshell, of course, we're going to leave the game out. We'll close up the box. I am... Well, I forgot to put this away. I am, for the hell of it, just going to open up the second one. Just to see if they gave me 2 PS5 versions of the Collector's Edition. Because I need to know, you know, if I'm going to sell it, I need to know what I'm selling, so let's just open this one for the heck of it. I'm sure all the items are the same. And let's see. Yep, it is 2 PS5 copies. So I got 2 games, 2 steelbook cases. I got 2 of everything in here. So this one, of course, untouched, unopened. So if I can sell this, awesome. Then I'll pretty much get my money back. Well, not maybe all of it, but I could get the majority of my money back and end up getting this collector's edition for damn near nothing. So we got ourselves, again, here's your collector's edition. We got ourselves 2 of them. Not entirely complaining. Future me here, you know, I totally forgot to look at these plushies. So why don't we take a look at these guys and go from there. So Lil plush series, Disgaea 7. This one is Lil Perlica. You got this one here. Kind of hard exactly to get her in full shot because of the zoom, but I don't really want to open these if I don't have to. Let's move that down so you can kind of see her head a little better now. So that's what these look like. These are very soft. I have the Legend of Heroes ones from Trails into Reverie, and Those are really soft as well. And you got this one. This one is, I think he's the main character for this game. This one is Lil Fuji. Lil Fuji. Yeah, there we go. He's a little sideways in the plastic. That's what this one looks like. Again, I don't want to take him out of the plastic if I don't have to, so. Apparently he just likes to roll around in the plastic. But that's the plushies. This is both of them next to each other. Side by side, if you will. As best as you can see. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, my name is The Rose. Check out the Derailed Gaming Live. Check out, Derailed Gaming Live, OCRP, GTA 5 Roleplay, Friday Night Gaming. Derailed Patreon, $1 a month gets you nearly 300 episodes podcast material. Follow me right here on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Greatly appreciate it. Follow me on Twitch. Follow me on Twitter, X, whatever you want to call it now, especially for social media. You know when to go live and upload a video. And hit the like button on this video to show me you like unboxing videos and you want to see more of these. I think this one was a little bit better than the last one I did, but still not the greatest quality, but hey, it's you know, I'm doing the best I can with what I have. Anyways, guys, again, thanks for watching. Until next time, my name is The Rose, and I'll catch your ass down the road.